Assalamu alaikum, I'm Saroar Mahdi. Today I stand before you to talk about a very curious yet in our human experience, which we all have felt before delivering a speech or before a big exam or communicate with each other. Yeah, I'm talking about this is called butterfly in the stomach. What does this mean actually? The butterfly in the stomach, this is a phrase to express your nervousness. Okay, so when you deliver a speech, most of the time you can be face nervousness in your own self. But of course, there is a way to remove this nervousness from your own self. Yeah, there is an exercise called breathing exercise or 4-4-6 exercise. By this way, you can remove your nervousness from your own self. And suppose these those the butterflies are the nervousness, so you can remove those. And how will you do this actually? So first of all, the 4-4-6 exercise means inhale or take breathe for 4 seconds and hold it for 4 seconds and then inhale. So just like first of all, you will take breathe or you will inhale or for 4 seconds. Okay, so just take it like your stomach is a balloon, suppose, and you are taking it in your balloon. Okay, not in your chest, and then hold it for 4 seconds, and then you will exhale for 6 seconds. So by this process, you can remove the butterflies from your stomachs. So that means in this way, just suppose in some countries like Australia and New Zealand, also England, they do this process with their armies to remove these. Okay, and also you can say how many times you need to remove these stomachs from to remove these butterflies from your stomachs. So I will say maximum 5 seconds you need to remove these. So another question is why you will do this. Suppose you are delivering a speech. If you face nervousness, so you can be forgotten some words which you will say next, and you can be find the words which you are thinking in your mind. So by this process, you lost your confidence, you lost your fluency. So this is a very large harmful things for you when you deliver a speech, or sometimes in an interview you can be faced nervousness. And if you do this before delivering a speech or before going to an exam or before communicating with other persons, so you can show your excellence. Okay, you can show your best performance to in front of all friends, all judges, all teachers. So I will say you, of course, follow this rules, and of course follow this exercise which will help you to deliver a speech and removing butterflies from your stomach. So finally, you can say the butterfly is gone. That means your nervousness gone. You can deliver a speech freely, advanced way, and fluently. So there is no more problem in your own self to deliver the speech. So that's all for my topic. Thank you very much.